All right, well, tonight is a total eclipse of the moon, which is very exciting because although it happens more frequently than a solar eclipse, it's still pretty spectacular to watch. And if the weather cooperates, then at about 1:30 in the morning, the moon will just start to enter into the Earth's shadow, and then it'll be in the Earth's shadow for a couple of hours. Mid-eclipse will be 3:17 a.m. That's a.m. And then around 5 o'clock in the morning, it'll come out of the shadow. There's this great animation to show you what it would kind of look like over time. Of course, this is over the course of a couple of hours. Let's just start from the beginning. So what's happening is the Earth is casting a long shadow, a 250,000 miles out there to the moon. And when the moon crosses in front of it, it gets blocked out with direct sunlight. Now, it doesn't get completely dark, because you might have noticed in that animation it shows it being reddish and orange. That's because the Earth has an atmosphere, and that sunlight is going to be bent through the atmosphere and just illuminate the moon with a reddish-orange glow. So if you were standing on the moon while the Earth eclipsed the sun, from the standpoint of the moon, you would just see a black disk of the Earth and a red ring around it with the sun shining through all the atmosphere, and it'd be bright enough to light up the surface in that orange light, which is another reason why I like lunar eclipses, because it's really beautiful. You don't just see the moon wink out; you see it go through that color change, and that's something also that makes it special. Now, what about the weather? Let's check out the NewsNet 5 forecast. For 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, light snow, 40% chance of precipitation. It doesn't look good. But I'm going to set my alarm. I'm going to try and watch it if there's a break in the clouds, or even if the clouds kind of dim. The next total lunar eclipse we could see from here will be in April of 2014. So I'll take my chances. I'll take my chances with sleep deprivation at work tomorrow, because I don't want to miss this opportunity if the clouds break up. Again, it's early in the morning. It's winter. Dress warmly if you have to go outside. Try and hopefully you could see it from a window and you could stay inside the house, because you don't need anything special to look at an eclipse. You just look at the moon, and you could see it. You could see that shadow just pass across it.